Okay, we're on our way from Sanesh down to Lagos, and we're doing about 6 knots. So I've got all plain sail set up in a configuration where I've got the jib pulled out that side, the flying jib on the left hand side and the main. There's a nice breeze, should keep us going. Our first lobster pot, but as we haven't got an engine that runs, they're not going to affect us. So there's the scene behind, and yeah, it's a nice little breeze. So get us down there fairly quickly, I think. To the corner probably by 8 o'clock tonight, and then we'll have to just slow up a bit because I don't want to get to Lagos until the morning. So that's it, and we're smiling once again. Okay, right. Nice coupler. Got to have a coupler. Not much of a swell left over from the strong winds of yesterday, so we're lucky in that respect. 3 yachts have already set off in front of us. One of them was a Mac 57-foot Beneteau, so tea nearly went then. So you've got to take care of your tea, if nothing else. Right, okay, I'll put you down for a minute. See you soon. Bye.